I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your mobile plan can seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Koodo mobile website and log into your account using your email and password. This is where you'll manage your plan. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, go to the plans section in the main menu. This is where you can view your current plan and available options. Step 3. Select change plan. Look for the option that says change plan or upgrade/downgrade. Click on it to see the different plans available to you. Step 4. Review new plans. Browse through the available plans and select the one that fits your needs. Pay attention to any additional features or costs associated with each plan. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After choosing a new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Make sure to review any changes in pricing before finalizing. Sometimes the new plan might not be available if you are on a promotional offer, so check for any restrictions. I hope this helps you navigate your plan change easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.